Today we're testing clothes dryers, and it all starts here. We're preparing the load for testing. So there's a moisture content in all of the clothes that we have in here, even the ones that appear dry. So they'd be having something like 6% moisture. And this is where we get the clothes to a bone dry massive as close to naught as possible. So we consider clothes dry from 6% and drier. Technically, you can't sell a dryer unless it gets the clothes down to 6%. We do 2 tests for clothes dryers. We do an IEC stand, which is an international standard. And this is the choice test, which we've added to our dryers test, which is what you'd expect in an Australian home. And now we're weighing them. Now that it's bone dry, we've got a reference point. Now we get these clothes to 85% moisture, so as we can test how good the clothes dryer is. This is our reference machine. So the load is finished and it's time to do the moisture level. This is roughly 83%. We need to get the moisture level up to 85% for consistency. Our secret weapon. There we go. We'll see if that's enough. Okay, good. 85% is perfect, and now we dry. Today we're testing a heat pump dryer, and we're testing bedding. So we're choosing the bedding setting, which is for this machine is duvet. Now we load it up and see how we go. We do one final weigh to get our final score, which you can find on our website.